To install the Eclima2600S truck sleeper cab air conditioners with the following 6 steps. Step 1. Make sure condenser place and install mounting bracket. Installation requirements. Before installation, pack the pipe and wire well, and firstly consider it whether the length is enough. Place condenser on a flat and strong support area in the truck back. Do not close to the truck parts and the area that mud is easy to enter, and choose an area that is easy for condenser to heat discharge. Step 2. Install and fix condenser included into shock absorption cotton. Requirements. It must use over 20 sets of stainless steel M6 rivet for the mounting bracket installation. After screwed well, reserve 1 cm distance in the shock absorption cotton in order to increase the shock absorption performance. If don't install mounting bracket, it must use over 4 sets of stainless steel M8 screws to fix the panel. Step 3. Make sure evaporator place and fix the evaporator support board. Requirements. Place the evaporator in the passenger seat that can support the evaporator well. Do not close to the truck parts or accessories. When installed evaporator, drain pipe is still down, and it should be fixed over 6 screws evenly in the truck cab metal plates. Step 4. Install and fix evaporator. Requirements. It must use over 6 screws to fix the evaporator in order to ensure the evaporator stable mount in the cab. Step 5. Cut hole in at the bottom of truck cab and connect the high or low voltage and drain pipe. Requirements. Find a covered and waterproof place to cut hole for the pipe across. The cutting hole is better for 65 mm diameter. And after cut hole well, please grind and smooth the hole margin, which can be protect the pipe from pierce when the truck is running and bumping. And make the pipe far away from truck cab and do not let the wire suspend in the midair. Step 6. Connect the wire, pack pipe, vacuum and test. Requirements. Connect the condenser power line and storage battery well. Place the power line connector away from the silt and pack it well with ties. If the connector is close to silt, use waterproof glue, pack the connector, and use the wear-resistant rubber, pack the cutting hole margin well. Try to connect the external and internal wires with pipe together. Tie all wires and the pipes that close to metal plate in order to avoid aberration, and pay attention to the safety and beauty as well. And after installation finished, how to vacuum? Connect the pressure meter with the shutoff valve, and please notice that do not open shutoff valve before the vacuum finished. Open vacuum pump and pressure meter and notice that do 15 minutes for vacuuming. After finish vacuum, turn off the valve. Check whether it has leaked, and please notice do 20 minutes of hold pressure. After ensure no leak, turn on the 2 shutoff valves. Put the condenser shell on after test finished. Thanks for watching, and that's all the installation steps. And if you have any needs or questions or problems, please feel free to contact us.